Hello guys, Ramen Teddy here. I'm returning from visiting South Korea. Today we are going to make omelette ramen. This recipe is originated from Malaysia, one of Southeast Asia. This recipe is popular in South Korea now. Today we need Buldak Ramen, ham, cheddar cheese, 2 eggs. That's it. Please cut ham small pieces to make omelette. And then mix egg yolks and egg white. Add 2 cups of water to the pan. When water is boiling, add ramen noodle first. And cook like 2 minutes, and then you need to drain hot water. And then add soup base and dry veggies. It's about 3 minutes, and at this time you need to prepare for a non-stick pan to cook omelette. And some butter first, and then add ham. You see that ramen noodle doesn't have any water, and then add ramen noodle to non-stick pan, and then add eggs and cheddar cheese. I wanted to make omelette, but looks like 2 eggs are not enough for 1 pack of ramen noodles. But I don't want to add 3 eggs for one person, too much calories. And that's it. Looks great still. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.